Welcome, Balance Seekers. I'm Christine Farfan, physical therapist, and I'm here with Mr. Muscle, Mr. Bones, and Lucky the special dog to show you how to use your balance ball sack to treat yourself, to be your own therapist, your own massage therapist, your own physical therapist. Nobody knows your body better than you. So we are going to give you a little understanding. Today we're going to talk about headaches and neck aches. So if that describes something you're dealing with, this is for you, okay? We're going to show you the detail of the little muscles that are deep in your neck. Look at the detail, how it goes to every level. It goes from the base of your skull, down your spine, and then we put another layer on, and check this out. It gets more complicated. So, of course, in your body, it's not this clean and clear, but it gives us an idea of all the complicated things. And then at the end of it all, oh man, a big honking layer, big trap. All this stuff coming to the base of your head. Okay, so that's what we're dealing with here, as well as the joints. Okay, let's show you the joints here. We come a little closer to Mr. Bones and his neck. And oh my goodness. Look at these joints, how tiny they are. Okay, the yellow represents spinal nerves. The painting represents where muscles are attached. Look at the back of your head. So much stuff happening there. Lots of directions of pull. And if you can picture that all of those muscles, those layers of muscles, are enveloped in like a saran wrap. Myofascial tissue is like a onesie of connective tissue. Each layer. And picture over time stuff happens. It gets sticky and mobile. And that's actually what limits our mobility. Huh, Lucky? So, taking the ball sack, and I would get a pillow or a block or something that can fill the space behind your head. We are going to use these to put this on top and to come in contact with the base of our skull. We're actually going to hold the balance ball sack in our hands and be able to control it. We're going to rotate our head once we get down there here. You can even get like behind your ear and lay on it. So let's do it, okay? So you're going to lay back, get your low back settled. Ribs down. Take your balance ball sack, put them together, twist, put it behind your head. Now I have this big old block there, so I don't need my hands there, so I can be at this side. So let yourself just, if you dare, breathe in and let your shoulders soften into the earth. Palms up. Let your head be heavy. If it's too tender, just rearrange them a bit. Now, if you dare, you can rotate your head a little bit to the right and left, feeling the soft tissue at the base of your skull. Perhaps you just want to hang there for a minute. Just put it at the base of your skull. Breathe in and let yourself be heavy into that. Yeah, it's something. And as you rotate your head, oh man, you feel it in there. You can gently move around. Movement is good. You're supposed to feel things. That's what you need to treat. Don't be afraid of feeling things. That's giving you information about where your body needs support. So you're going right and left. That really gets in the joints. You can move it down your neck a little bit at a time. Going right and left. Oh my God, that feels so amazing. Going a little further down. Oh, that's where I really need it. Everyone has their different spots that they need a little help with. This is one of my tight areas right here. Oh man, that feels awesome. And then you just move your arms around a little bit. Reaching overhead. And it's you relative to you. So you're not going to hurt yourself, yeah? You can come on the side of your head if you're having headaches. Get behind your ear. You can even come over like on your temple. Yeah. Or on your head and your temple. It really feels strangely good. We do have that soft tissue in the top of our head. It goes all throughout our body. And so loosening it up, massaging it, mobilizing it gets more lymph flow, which is more healing. It releases neurologically. It gives yourself a new way to be. And then you can discover balance, line up that skeleton, and be good to go. So discover balance, make your own balance ball sack, or email us at perfectbalpt@gmail.com and give us a message at Discover Balance YouTube and subscribe below. There's going to be lots of cool stuff you can do with this. You can make yourself feel so much better, honest. Right, Lucky? Yeah. See?